everybody has a set of problems to solve, be it in the office or at the home. Everybody wants permanent solution to the problem. If we have a structured approach to solve the problem, which is easy to implement and very effective, definitely it will go a long way in our career, be it in solving our personal problems or our quality related problems. Hi, this is Jagdish Kumar doing this presentation for you. The contents here are useful for those who write project management related exams, quality related certifications, or those who wish to attend interviews for positions in quality. What is the root cause? Root cause is the basic reason or primary reason for a failure. For example, if a child has the temperature, that is called as a symptom. It could be due to bacterial infection or viral infection. That infection portion which is diagnosed by the doctor and treated is the primary reason for failure. If that primary reason is not understood or solved, the problem cannot have a permanent solution. This is the significance of a root cause analysis. Where to do the root cause analysis? Not everywhere, please remember. We have to find the primary reason and solve significant problems. Why to do the root cause analysis? As we understood, any problem that comes to us, be it from our family members or our subordinates or team members, the problems are only stated at symptom level. Unless you do the root cause analysis, know the primary reason, you cannot solve the problem permanently. That is why root cause analysis becomes very, very important. How to do root cause analysis? The problem statement, what is as received you take, it is at symptom level, you know now. Then analyze the cause for the problem using the tools which I will explain moving forward in simple terms, and know its root cause. Then only you can have a permanent solution called the corrective action. So as we discussed, root cause analysis should be done for major problems, and the root cause analysis and corrective action should be evolved by the process owner, the person who is in charge of the area where the problem is seen. He should not do it alone. He should do it in a team called as cross-functional team selected for solving this problem. Cross-functional team comprises of people from different domains like marketing, design, production, procurement, and so on, who have the knowledge of this particular problem. So in a team, we should do the analysis of the symptom to arrive at the root cause, called as root cause analysis. Then only we arrive at a corrective action, which is a permanent action, so that the problem does not reoccur at all. How to do root cause analysis? Having understood the importance of root cause analysis, here are the 6-step approach, which is very simple to follow. Use 5W and 2H tool. I will explain this later. To gather the complete 360-degree perspective of the problem, to complete knowledge of the problem. If you have the complete knowledge of the problem only, you can do the second step, that is define the problem correctly at the cause level, because a problem will define its problem house. Having defined the problem, now use a tool called as cause and effect diagram, which is also called as Ishikawa diagram or fishbone diagram. This is a very useful tool which I will cover in some other video, helping us to list all the possible causes for a particular problem. Having known all the possible causes for a particular problem in step number 3, now we should pull out the significant causes only from the list of the problems to solve. And for this, either we can use our process knowledge or you have to use Pareto analysis. Pareto analysis again is a tool where if you have 100 problems, you can select top 20 problems, because Pareto says 20% of the list of causes will be significant, and by attacking these vital causes, the 20%, you can enhance your performance by 80%. This is a great takeaway from this Pareto analysis. Focus on significant causes only. After knowing the significant cause, now you keep asking why 5 times on the cause to find out the root or primary cause. So we discussed the 2 tools, step number 1, 5W and 2H. The objective is to know the overview of the problem. And here in step number 5, lastly, we discussed the tool 5Y technique, which also I will cover subsequently. 5Y technique is meant for arriving at the root cause and then creating a permanent solution. This step is very important. You should arrive at the root cause and then only you can create the permanent solution. We discussed this. What are the questions we ask? 5W are questions, 2H are also questions. Let us try to know. First W is what is the problem? Second W is where is the problem? Third is why is the problem? Fourth is when is the problem? Fifth is who is causing the problem. Here, cause can be a machine, a tool, a process step, or lastly a person. This has to be understood. Now coming to 2H, how to solve the problem, having understood the root cause, and the last H, how much resources to spend. Keep simple things simple, only use the needed resource so that economically you are able to solve the problem. Now, we understood 5W and 2H tool is all about asking questions to arrive at 360-degree perspective of the problem. Now 5Y tool, as we discussed, is asking why 5 times to arrive at the root cause of the problem and create the corrective action. Now, as we understood, ask why 5 times. In 90% of the cases, if you ask why 5 times, we can arrive at the primary reason. It is not hard and fast rule. Small problems, you may arrive at the root cause by asking why 3 times or so. Or for complex problems, you may have to ask why more times, say 8 to 10 times. So now to recapitulate, we understood if the problem is told to you, it is only at the symptom level. By solving the problem at symptom level, you will never be able to solve the problem permanently. You have to identify the primary cause for the failure, called the root cause. And this approach is called as root cause analysis. If you solve the root cause only, permanent solution is possible, and that permanent solution is called as corrective action. The tools used to understand the overview of the problem in complete is 5W and 2H, where we ask the question who, what, where, when, why, and so on, and 2H, that is how and how much. Having got the 360-degree view of the problem, now we define the problem correctly. We use this problem statement to find out the possible causes using the cause and effect diagram. From the list of possible causes, we select the vital causes or the most significant causes, either from our process knowledge or by using an 80-20 tool called as the Pareto tool, where we know 20% of the causes only will be significant. If you solve them, you can jump your performance by 80. Having known the root cause through asking why 5 times, you can find a solution for the root cause, which becomes a permanent solution called as the corrective action, CA. There cannot be CA without RCA. This you please keep in your mind permanently. Now, those who are not subscribed to my channel so far, I request you to subscribe to Array Excellence Academy right now by pressing the red button below this video. And I take this opportunity to thank you for all your support.